Hello, I'm Evan with WooNinjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to bulk edit 1,000 plus WooCommerce products in minutes. If you have 100 products in your WooCommerce store, updating prices the manual way might take you an afternoon. But what about 1,000 products? Or 5,000? That's a full week of clicking, waiting for the dashboard to load, and praying you didn't miss one. Today I'm going to show you two simple WooCommerce extensions that turn that week-long nightmare into a 5-minute task. No code, no developer, and certainly no headaches. So by default, WooCommerce gives you a built-in quick edit. And that's fine when you need to tweak 2 or 3 products. But the second you need to update dozens or hundreds at a time, say raising prices 5% before the holidays, swapping out a category, or marking your winter line as out of stock, the built-in tools start to feel like trying to dig a swimming pool with a teaspoon. So we built 2 tools for 2 different jobs. The first is for editing products that are already on your site. The second is for getting products in or out of your site in bulk, perfect for new launches, supplier updates, or moving to a new domain. Let's start with editing. Tool 1. Bulk edit products for WooCommerce. Install and activate. First, grab the plugin from the WooNinjas downloads page. I'll drop the link in the description. After checkout, you'll get a zip file and a license key in your email. In your WordPress admin, head to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose the zip, click Install, and then Activate. You'll see a new menu pop up called Products Bulk Edit in your left sidebar. The spreadsheet view. This is where the magic happens. Instead of opening each product one at a time, the plugin shows your entire catalog as a spreadsheet. Every product is a row, every field is a column. If you've ever used Google Sheets or Excel, this is going to feel instantly familiar. You can edit titles, prices, SKUs, stock, descriptions, categories, tags, images, dimensions, pretty much anything WooCommerce stores about a product, you can edit right here. Click a cell, type the new value, and move on. Filtering to find what you want. You can filter by product ID, title, SKU, slug, regular price range, sale price range, stock quantity, stock status, product type, category, tag, featured status, the list goes on. Mix and match as many as you need. For example, let's say I only want to edit my t-shirts that are currently in stock. I'll type t-shirt in the title filter, set stock status to in stock, hit apply, and there we go. The table now only shows what matters. Making bulk changes. Now here's where you save real time. Want to raise all these prices by $5? You have to manually enter each price in front of all the cells by adding $5 in the current price. Need to mark your entire summer line as out of stock now that the season's over? Filter to that category, change the stock status on the first row, and paste it down. Done in seconds. Running a flash sale on a whole category? Drop your sale price into the first cell, paste it down the column, and your entire promotion is set up before your coffee gets cold. That right-click menu also gives you shortcuts for adding variations, creating variations from attributes, duplicating products, jumping to the full edit page, or viewing the product on the front end. Super useful when you're working through a long list. And a quick tip, if you have a team, multiple users can edit at the same time. So your inventory manager and your content writer can both be in here working on different products. Filter fields to clean up the view. One last thing before we move on. If you're only updating prices, you don't need to see 30 other columns getting in the way. Click the settings icon and you can choose exactly which fields appear in the table. I'll pick regular price and sale price. Now the table is clean and focused. No distractions, no accidental edits. When you're done, just close the panel and your changes are saved. Tool 2. WooCommerce Products Bulk Import Export. Okay, so the bulk edit plugin is perfect when your products are already on the site. But what if you're launching with 500 new products from a supplier spreadsheet? Or you're moving your store to a new domain and need to bring everything with you? That's where our second plugin comes in, WooCommerce Products Bulk Import Export. Install and settings. Install and activate it the same way as before. Upload the zip, activate the license key. You'll now see a new Import-Export submenu under the main Products menu. Before you do anything, pop into General Settings. There are 3 toggles we'll review. Publish product on import. Flip this on if you want imported products to go live immediately. Otherwise, they'll come in as pending and you can review them first. Update duplicate products. When this is on, if a product with the same title already exists, the plugin updates it instead of creating a duplicate. Huge for re-imports. And enable debug logs. Turn this on if you ever run into trouble, and we will use those logs to figure out what happened. Exporting your products. Let's start with exporting, because most people want to back up first. Once the plugin is active, you'll notice a new export button next to every product. Click it, and that single product downloads as an Excel file. For multiple products, check the boxes next to the ones you want. Then, in the Bulk Actions dropdown, pick Export Product as XLS or XLSX and hit Apply. You'll get one neat spreadsheet with everything in it, and you can make edits right inside that spreadsheet with no hassle. Edit the regular price column and set the products which are out of stock in Back Orders column. Importing products. Once your file is ready, head to the Import tab, choose the file, click Next, and the plugin will create or update every product in your spreadsheet. Refresh your products page. There they are, ready to sell. Site-to-site migration tip. And a quick bonus. If you have this plugin installed on 2 different sites, you can export from one and import straight into the other. Perfect for moving from a staging site to production or rebuilding on a new domain. Pro tips and workflow. 1. Always export your products before doing a big bulk edit. That spreadsheet is your safety net. If something goes sideways, you have a backup. 2. When you're trying a new bulk change, filter down to 1 or 2 products and test on those first. Once you're happy with the result, expand to the full list. And 3. These 2 plugins are even better together. Export your products to get a clean snapshot, make big picture changes in the spreadsheet, then re-import. Or use the spreadsheet for the heavy lifting and the bulk edit tool for finer in-place tweaks. They cover different jobs and they don't step on each other. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.